what we're going to do is we are going to start giving some definitions to these trapezoids. So let's do this. So starting with, what is a trapezoid? So I put the definition of a trapezoid up on top of the word trapezoid. You might be able to squeeze it out to the right on your paper, okay? All right, and now what I'm going to do is all these orange figures, we are going to define all the orange figures, okay, and what they mean. So a parallelogram, okay, I'm going to put that definition over here. A parallelogram has two sets of parallel sides and non-right angles, meaning they are not 90 degrees. A rhombus has four equal sides and non-right angles. All right, let's talk about our rectangle here. So I'm going to put this definition out here. A rectangle has two sets of equal sides and four right angles. And finally, a square. A square has four equal sides and four right angles. All right, so now that we have talked about all of our vocabulary, let's go look at number 10. Okay, the vertices of quadrilateral EFGH are, and then they give me these four ordered pairs, and they ask me what kind of quadrilateral is EFGH. So let's talk about what our steps are going to be. All right, so my steps for this are very simple. What I'm going to do is plot the points, connect the points, and then look at my vocabulary up above and see which one it kind of seems to match the best. So let's do that quickly together, okay? So I'm going to plot my points. All right, so I have plotted and connected the points. Now what I want to do is refer to my vocabulary up above using my answer choices. So I can tell you right now that this is not a square and it's not a rectangle because there's not four right angles, okay? So let's look at rhombus. A rhombus says that it has four equal sides. Well, I already know that this side down here was length 4 and this side up here is length 6. So it can't be a rhombus either. Okay, so that leaves trapezoid, and let's just refer to what trapezoid means. It's a quadrilateral, meaning it has four sides. It has one pair of parallel sides. Well, if you look at this side and this side, they are definitely parallel to one another. The other two sides don't really matter as long as I've got one set of parallel sides. So my answer to this is going to be A. Alrighty. Now, it is possible to have a problem like this that instead of referring to quadrilaterals, it refers to triangles. So it is important just to review an equilateral triangle where all three sides are the same, a scalene triangle where all three sides are different, a right triangle that has 190-degree angle, and then your acute and your obtuse. Just refer back to those very basic geometry notes from middle school, okay? All right, so for this lesson, you should have a practice assignment posted. Please use any remaining class time that you have to complete that practice assignment.